In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add keyframe on Canva. We're going to create smooth custom motion by simulating keyframes with pages and transitions. This is a simple workflow that works with images, text, logos, and most elements in your design. Start by opening your design in Canva and go to the page or slide where you want the animation to begin. Make sure you have at least one element on the page. This could be a photo, a graphic, or a piece of text you plan to animate. Think of this first page as your starting pose. Next, duplicate the page so you can set up the next moment in your motion. Right. Click on the page thumbnail and choose Duplicate Page. You'll now have two identical pages stacked. On the new page, slightly move or resize the element to its next position. This is your keyframe, the change that tells Canva where you want the element to go or how you want it to transform. Small changes create smoother motion. Bigger moves create faster, more dramatic shifts. Resizing works too, so you can make something grow or shrink as it moves. Repeat that process to build a path. Keep duplicating the page and repositioning the element on each new page so it travels along the route you want. The more pages you create, the more refined and fluid the animation will feel. Fewer pages will give you a snappier, more jumpy effect. Try to move the element a consistent amount each time for a steady pace, or vary the distance if you want intentional speed changes. As you work, keep using the same element, don't delete and re-add it so Canva can track it accurately between pages. When your sequence looks right, it's time to make it move. Click the transition icon, the small vertical play button between any two pages. From the transition options, select Match and Move. This tells Canva to automatically animate the element from its position on one page to its position on the next. Then choose Apply to all pages so every transition in the sequence uses the same motion logic. This keeps the movement consistent from start to finish and ties the whole animation together. That's it. Thanks for watching.